This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to see your most watched genres on Letterboxd. So I'm right here on the main Letterboxd page at letterboxd.com. First things first, we will hover over our username and picture at the top. So you click on profile, you will now see your profile. Now you can see that I'm a Patreon member here. In order to access this feature that I'm about to show you, you need to be a Patreon or Pro member of Letterboxd. Very reasonable yearly fee in order to be able to do that. I've been a member for a while. This isn't any kind of sales video. I'm just saying that you need that to access this feature on Letterboxd. So we are going to now click on the stats page right here once you have your account. Now this will show your all-time stats by default. Now you can hit this drop down right here and click on a specific year. Now I should note that these are years that you watched these films in. These aren't the years that the films were actually released in, if that makes sense. So you can backdate years that you watched films in, but by default you can select any of those, but by default it will show all time, just so I point that out. As you scroll down, you can see your highest rated decades, all the usual stuff that you can see on the stats page, including the list progress and stuff here. But what we want to see is just below here, just below the featured lists, any featured lists that you have and the highest rated decades. You can see right here we have genres, countries and languages. So this is an all-time accounting of all the genres that we've seen on Letterboxd for the films that we've actually logged. So mine right here, yours is obviously going to be different to mine, but I have drama at 2,408 films. I've seen 1,269 comedy films, and so on and so forth. This is a really helpful little feature here. We can see countries as well, most watched countries, and we can see languages as well. So no surprises there that an Englishman has most watched films in English, although I do watch, I'm surprised, I thought I'd seen a lot more French films than that, and Japanese films really. I think this is reasonably accurate. We can also see, we can actually click for highest rated as well, so we can see which one of these genres, countries and languages we have highest rated, as in the average across all of the films that fulfill one of those criteria right there. So that's quite useful. We can also scroll down a little more and we can see themes and nano genres. So this is a feature unique to Letterboxd. So they kind of break up their own sort of themes and topics and stuff. There's nano genres there that are even more kind of granular, I guess. So again, this is Letterboxd proprietary thing that they've got right here, but you can see that breakdown as well if that's interesting to you. Any of these you can click on and you can actually see a whole bunch of those films that you've watched and reviewed. And again, you can do highest rated there. Just one more thing, just a little bonus. You can scroll all the way down. There's plenty more features right here, but you can see your most watched cast members right here, as in actors and actresses, and same for directors. You can see your most watched directors here. And again, just one more thing, just to highlight that, you can, let's say you want to see what you watched most of last year. So again, this is going back to the films you actually watched in 2025, regardless of when those films were released. So I watch a lot of older films all year round. So this isn't films that came out in 2025. This is films that you watched in 2025. Hopefully that makes sense. Again, you can see the genre breakdown. You can see I watched 272 drama films in 2025 on Letterboxd. Obviously drama is quite a popular genre, and it kind of comes up tagged with a lot of films, as you can see here. And again, you can see your countries and languages breakdown again, as well as the themes and nano genres right here. And again, that is just for 2025. So let's go back to all time in order to sort of conclude this video. That has been a video on how to find your most watched genres on Letterboxd. Hopefully you've got something out of this and you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.